Uh-oh. Oh yeah. What is up, guys? What is going on? I'm starting the vlog off today in a little bit of a different situation than normal. I'm in the middle of the woods on this awesome paved walking trail. It is like 60 degrees. We have a heat wave coming through. Me and my lady are out on a walk. Getting a quick walk in before the rain comes. I think it's gonna rain in like 15 minutes. So we better hurry. But anyways, I didn't film a video yesterday. It was Valentine's Day. I spent the day with my lady. We hung out, did a bunch of things, and it was awesome. Oh, we almost made it to the top. It's right there. We haven't worked out in like months. This isn't really a workout, we're just walking. But still. Real quick for me, guys, do me one favor. Let's get this channel to 5,000 subscribers. Hit that subscribe button, hit that thumbs up. I know we can do it. Let's do it. Whew. Whew. It started raining. We're making our way back to the truck, but we're still pretty far out. There's someone riding in the woods. I don't know where they went. I think they're going up the hill across the road over there. Can't really see them though. I can hear them. Sounds like they're stuck.
That's not.
Well, I guess they popped out of the woods and decided to take the road home. That was those guys. Pretty cool. We got our friendly neighborhood ducks, Bonnie and Clyde. It's a frenzy. Get down. What are you doing? What are you doing? Oh my God.
Down, so easy, Maya. Go sit down. Come on.
Uh-oh, uh-oh. Get him. Get him. Oh my God. Come on, Zoe. Get him. Get him right there. It's never ending. Get the duck. Uh-oh. Oh yeah. Duck's gonna attack me. No, they're just playing. They've been doing this ever since the duck was just a little baby. Get him. Go ahead, get him. Ow, it's not me. Oh, man. Whoa. Crap, this thing's loud. I think we got enough. Alright guys, I don't know if you can hear that on the camera. It's leaking pretty gosh darn fast. But we're gonna try to make it. When we hit the road, look, the ducks are in the pool. Now. right, guys, we did it. We made a bold move, and we are driving to change the tire with a big screw hanging out in a serious leak. So it's raining. If we have a blowout, it will really suck to change the tire on the side of the road while it's raining. All right, we made it. The tire didn't blow out. We didn't have to change it in the rain. But real quick, I'm gonna call her dad, because he was the one, oh, drive it, it'll be fine, it won't blow out. I'm gonna prank call him and tell him that we had a blowout and he has to come pick us up.
Oh.
Hey, where you at?
Rockies.
You gotta come get us. We had a blowout.
You what?
Tire blew out on the highway.
I told you don't go the highway.
You told me to take the highway.
No, I didn't. I told you to go the back way now or whatever. You said you weren't going to go the highway. I told you don't go there anyway because there's a lot of traffic.
I thought you said don't go the back way because there's a lot of traffic.
Well, but there's a back way. I mean, traffic on the back way. Going through Rennerdale and then up down to Wichita. Okay, so where are we at now? What's the deal?
I don't know. I'm stuck on the road. There's cars flying by me. It's pouring down rain.
Okay.
No, I'm kidding. We made it. I'm kidding. We made it. We're good. I'm coming in to change the tire now.
Oh, okay. Yeah, I mean, I was going to tell you I was going to go to the house to get the jack and that or whatever.
No, it's fine. We're good.
Okay.
All right.
Did you go the back way?
Yeah.
Okay.
All right. Okay, bye.
I'm not Rockies. Give me a call when you're done.
All right, bye.
Bye.
He sounds a little bit like Don Vito. Super funny. But let's go change the tire. Where you want me? Front driver.
What?
You hear it?
I see it now. Here, just pull over this way a little bit. Yeah, pull
Over this way?
Keep coming. Keep coming. Right there,
Alright, we're going to change the tire. We're going for a ride in the EVO. Warmed up. Oh yeah. Dude, she'll spin all four like real quick.
Yeah, I just did right there.
Woo! So how much horsepower is she putting down?
410.
410 to the wheels?
350 to the wheels.
350 to the wheels?
It's a perfect setting for a daily drive.
So what size turbo did you put on?
60 millimeter.
60 millimeter turbo?
Yeah, it's a Garrett GT35R twin scroll.
Wow. That's a big turbo. That's like a diesel turbo.
Yeah, basically. Well, the guy told me that it's a diesel track turbo almost.
And this thing runs really good. It picks up boost super fast.
Yeah.
Like it doesn't, there's no like real turbo lag.
There's no lag whatsoever. Yeah.
Wow.
That's why I took it to Nate. I mean, Nate is real good at what he does. So, like, he tuned it perfect.
What's his company?
TPG Tuning.
TPG Tuning?
Yep.
Dude, TPG Tuning. But for, so you did a turbo, you did injectors. What else did you do?
I did dual open dump 38 millimeter wastegates, 3-inch intake, 3-inch intercooler piping, 3-port boost controller.
All custom built?
The downpipe's custom built, and the open dump tubes are custom made to be 2 of them coming off to one to an open dump right below the cradle.
The truck looks familiar on there. ...2012 EVO 10. You changed my tire? All right, guys, we got the tire changed. It is a horrible day. We're losing daylight. It's raining. You seen the EVO X? Man, the thing rips. He just put a huge turbo on it, did injectors, custom tune. I don't know what else he did, but it's fast. I like it. Should I get a car? Should I add a car to the channel? But that's it for today, guys. We are out. Join the Platinum Built lifestyle and hit that subscribe button, and don't forget the thumbs up. I will see you guys in the next video. Peace!